In today's video, we will learn how to configure and work with budget. We will first go to Financial module and see if the budget is enabled or not. Here we can see the budget is not enabled, and it is showing first Define Budget in Administration. So we will do to Administration and define the budget. We have to go to the Administration, System Initialization, and then General Settings. In General Settings, in the Budget tab, we have to tick on Budget Initialization checkbox. Here is a various option for budget control, like you can block posting entry more than budgeted amount, or you can only show warning, or without warning, also you can proceed. We can set the budget for monthly or yearly control, and also can select our desired transactions where the budget will be controlled. When you hit on Update button, system will ask you if you want to update all profit and loss account with budget. Now we will go to the chart of account from Financial module and see if for all profit and loss account the budget is initialized or not. Yes, we can see here, relevant to budget is ticked. That means now we can set budget for the account. Now we will go to the Budget menu from Financial module and set up the budget for our relevant account where we want the budget to be defined. However, we can see here current financial year is not set up, so we will go the Budget scenario and create current financial year setup. Right-click on the first row, and then click on Add Row and fill the budget name. Now, go the budget. Here you can see the current financial year budget showing in the scenario. Select the current financial year and click on OK. If you want to set budget only for a specific drawer of the chart of account, then select that. Click on Display Account with No Budget checkbox to view all the ledgers in the list and enter your debit or credit budget amount against the ledger and then save it. I am setting here $100 for the services account, and a few USD for other account as well. Debit balance will be used in any expense or purchase entry. Enter the amount and click on Update button. This is all about setting up the budget. Next, we will post some transactions and check if it's working as per our requirement. We will go to Purchase Order Transaction and enter an amount which is greater than $100, which is set up for the service account. If it blocks, then it means it's working. We will try to add $110. See, the transaction is being blocked. Now we will add less than $100 and the transaction will be posted successfully. Our total budget was 100 and we have posted entry for 50 already, so ideally system will allow me to post one more entry for 50 maximum. Trying to post 55, but it will not allow. So we'll go with 50 and save. Now, if we see the budget still, it will show actual is blank since expense entry will be booked once we post an AP invoice. Now we will book the AP invoice and see if the actual is increasing or not. Yes. We can see now the actual is increased. After posting a AP invoice, we can view various kind of budget report in the Finance Report section. This is a budget report. We can find the entry, which we have posted. The budget, actual, and difference can be seen in the report. Additionally, we can see various kind of graphical output of the report and print it for MIS analysis. We can get the budget in the balance sheet report as well from the balance sheet budget report as well as trial balance and profit and loss statement format. This is the trial balance report format. If we want to view in account level, we can go to the maximum account level as well. This is profit and loss report format for budget. Here also we can view the report in maximum account level format. If you have learned anything from the video, please hit the like. Subscribe our channel for more SAP Business One related updates. Thank you.